So I just did a fix on this chainsaw. This is a 36cc 16-inch Craftsman chainsaw. It wasn't idling right, so I went ahead and adjusted that. This is my chainsaw. It's a Steel MS-170. There's something wrong with the idle on it, so I'm going to adjust it as soon as I get the right tool. This right here, this is a Husqvarna 142E series. It doesn't run right now. I need a new spark plug and carburetor rebuild kit. Needs bar oil, and I need a new chain for it because this one is pretty old. This needs a new chain too. It doesn't really cut that well. I think it needs a new bar also because it doesn't cut well in the back. But my saw kind of runs fine. But let me show you what I did with this. If I can get it off, the top off. There it goes. So when I started this, it wouldn't idle right. So I took this screw right here and I turned it in because it was pulled out too far. I don't think you can see that, but if you can, then you know what I'm talking about. It's the same as this. Craftsman is owned by Husqvarna, so is Poland. Poland makes this saw. This saw was made by Poland because it's a smaller homeowner model. But I went ahead and adjusted the idle. Now it runs perfect. I just need to get fuel, the right fuel for it, and that one too. But that's pretty much it. And be sure to watch out for my next video on a Suzuki RM80.